Some of you have been sending me DMs asking if the flood in Anambra State has receded. Well, if you are one of those wondering what some of the flooded communities in Anambra State looks like currently, this is Anam, an Anambra West local government area of Anambra State as of 30th of October 2022.
So the last time I came here, this was the level of the water. Yeah. Okay. You can see how greatly it has reduced. So probably by towards mid-November and ending of November. Okay. People must have started cleaning up their homes and probably getting back to their houses.
As the people are getting ready to move back to their various homes in a few weeks' time, as the water level seems to be gradually receding, the kind of loss and destruction that came as a result of this flooding can never be forgotten in a hurry. But little by little, the people will start picking back the pieces of their life again. As of now, no one knows if the government are willing and ready to help these people get back on their feet. But let's keep watching.
Okay, the market side now.
Yes.
And what of the village now?
Village. What is that now? The downside here. The water now still there small. Understand? But for upside, inside town, don't they? Some places now don't they come out small. Only is that as from this hostel now you are seeing come down here, water still there.
So maybe probably by towards ending of next month.
Next month, from November. Let's say that.
That's by hopefully people go to their house do Christmas. So by November now they go start to the clean up. By last week of November and first week of December they go start to the clean up.
Exactly. So on this side itself now some people don't start to clean that.
Okay, for people where they upper land.
Because you know that the most they close to water. Then there's set of the water.
And then be the first people where the water affects.
And I them diseases.
In Otocha Market, in Anambra East local government area of Anambra State, if you look closely, you will notice that some part of the market has dried up and the market is becoming more visible compared to the last time, and business activities is gradually returning back to the markets.
Bend down.
Good boy. Look at see bend.
No.
Then I hear you from.
I hear where you're from.
As we paddled through the community, I couldn't stop wondering if things could ever go back to normal again in these flooded communities. But again, our people are survivors. I'm sure if you come back here in a few months' time, you will never believe that they went through something like this.
But the water still dey up now.
At the school, the erosion they carry and they go back. So if your hand not strong, you go carry you go down once, or go hit you for one walk. See, I'm still waiting spot for people walk. If they want this side, go come out.
Huh?
If they want this one, all this side now. At the school. See the sandboard now.
I don't see this. I don't see this
Just
around.
That's Lord.
This one. Who will dey inside?
We live for up, we run for,
Go this side. Make we dey there.
we run.
People dey inside that place like that. They dey inside the water they cook.
Not be copper is there inside, so.
People wey run. They run from water, come enter water again. Come dey inside water again. So you fit station your stuff here.
Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious